The fact that you were the last person to see Tiffany, to even talk to Tiffany, you are seen as a suspect.
Suspect? So you think me involved? Tiffany, I'm a girlfriend. What you mean?
Kareem, why you tell me exactly what happened?
What go on, man? The GPS you work. Like you like the grounds thing. What go on, Jenna? Come with me and talk.
Kareem, don't move.
Youth. Remember say me and you have some money discussion to have.
Kareem, you older man there?
Me don't know. General, look at it. Boss, talk to me now. I'll lend me the money.
No, me never lend you the money.
But they say we have money argument. We don't understand that.
Use that to get you outside or something. What's sure? What's sure? So?
She had about my girlfriend and say when my girlfriend get kidnapped. And then she has me a suspect.
You do not need the money when we give.
Yeah, boss, say what you say? You see the same daily? I start work on it and then I tell Tony to talk to the boss. Just make can rent out the shop and then I start work on some means and them things there. But I also work on the delivery aspect. I put in the work, man.
Delivery.
Yeah.
We have bicycle, bike, car, what?
Bike. Yeah, boss, say, me have a link, man. You see it? CM Quick Foot have a delivery service link where them gonna help me out. But not worry.
Quick foot. Alright. Sound like a good plan. I like the fact say I stay up on the right track. But listen to me carefully. You see the minister daughter, tell you already, forget she. You see the deli, that are your thing. You see that woman inside or so? You and her have no more talk to talk. Me will deal with her. You will look about chicken, beef, and pork. And left me to snake.
Savage. Where Kareem gone?
Gone when we go. Where you want to the youth?
Savage. The youth is a possible suspect in a kidnapping.
Him. Suspect in a kidnapping. Wait. Which kidnapping that again?
You no need to know that. And what kind of money dealings you have with the youth?
You no need to know about that. Wait. This have to do with the minister daughter kidnapping.
You upon the case?
Mullins.